Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today is update number 2 for the bearded pup. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. Okay, so today is update number 2 for the bearded pup and year of the beard. So what are we going to talk about today? You saw it in the title. We're talking about spray cologne from the bearded pup. Now, I don't know how many other beard, I mentioned this in the unboxing, I think, but I'm not sure how many beard companies actually take their scent profiles and put them into a cologne, but the bearded pup does. So that's what we're going to talk about today is Biker's Blend in the cologne spray. So you can see there it is a 1 ounce bottle. We'll turn this way. All right, so you've got your scent profile here and bearded pup, and yeah, so nice, clean design, labeling and bottle, very aesthetic. So then you take your cap off and it has a really tall spray part. I really like this. Now, they have 10 different scents you can choose from on their website to get into the cologne spray. I'm not 100% sure how many scent profiles they have for their beard products, but they have 10 that you can choose from for the cologne spray, and it retails for $20. And I can tell you, a little goes a long way, and it will last a very long while. It has a pretty good fine mist that comes out, so a whole lot does not come out at one time. So this bottle will probably last me for a really long time. This was the first time I used cologne since probably high school. It is, like I said, really good. I love the Biker Blend scent profile. It is leather and cedar, and it just smells so good. Now, duration on this, I have used it multiple times through the course of the last 2 weeks, and scent duration was not quite all day, but I could kind of pick up hints of it. There were some days I put it kind of up here on my neck, some days I put it here, and I don't know which one. I sprayed it on my shirt. I don't know which one the scent was lasting longer, being the beard products or the cologne. I'm not 100% sure which one lasted longer, but either way, I could smell the Biker's Blend scent profile for the better part of the day, just not quite all day. So really good scent profile and really awesome. If you've got those beard products from Bearded Pup and you want to match in cologne, they've got 10 to choose from. Jump over, check it out. I have links in the description below. You get over and check out Bearded Pup. And yeah, that's all I got for you today, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for update number 3, which will be coming up next week. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.